Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see the solution to the LeetCode problem, remove duplicates from sorted array. So we're given a sorted array and we have to remove the duplicates in place such that each element appear only once and we have to return the new length. But we don't have to allocate any extra space, we must do this by modifying the input array in place. So how do we do that? Let's check with an example. Suppose I have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So what I have to return is, you can see that the unique elements are 1, 2 and 3. So the first three elements should be 1, 2, 3 and we have to return the new length, that is 3, and afterwards whatever it is, it's not a problem. Like it says, it doesn't matter what you leave beyond the return length, but in the modified array, the first those elements should be unique and we have to return the length of those unique elements. So the approach which I'm going to tell you is very simple. So what we have is we have a pointer, and whenever we find element which is not repeating, then we increment our pointer, and whenever there's an element repeating, we just keep on going. So it will make more sense when I code it out. So we'll have int j is equal to 1, which is my pointer. So what I'll be doing is, for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length minus 1, I plus minus 1, because I'll be comparing nums of I with nums of I plus 1. So if nums of I not equal to nums of I plus 1, then what I would do is I'll say nums of j is equal to nums of I plus 1 and j plus plus. So what I'm doing here is, suppose I have one, I'll take the same example. Suppose I have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So initially j is 1. So initially j is 1. J is here. Now I come to 2. I come to I, and 1 is not equal to 2, as you can see. So what happens is nums of j becomes nums of I plus 1, meaning nums of 1 becomes 2 and j is incremented. So now j is this. Then I goes here, it's repeating, so it does nothing. I comes here, it's not repeating, so nums of j becomes nums of I plus 1. So this becomes 3 and the other stays as it is. And we return j, which is 3, and the first 3 elements are unique, which you can see. Okay, so nums of j, and then simply we have to return j. So that's it. And j will be the number of unique elements because we put the unique elements in their correct position. So let's try to run it. Seems okay. Okay, so you can see that we're getting a runtime of 2 ms, but runtime keeps on varying with certain elements, because you can see that I did the same code and I got 0 ms. So if I make some small changes, I'll get 0 again. So let's try to do this. Yeah, it got to 1 ms. Or if I just show you the 0 ms one, it's same thing. It is the same thing. So just cap it after return j. So anyways, it's the same thing. I'll just show you by copying that how little space here and there can turn 1 ms to 0 ms. Yeah, so you can see this which had 0 ms, now it's showing 1 ms. So 0 ms and 1 ms, there's a lot of difference, and that is with certain factors which I'm not sure about. But this itself is 0 ms, it runs in runtime is 0 ms, and the very simple approach is keeping a pointer and incrementing the pointer when we see an element which is not equal to its previous element. So that's it. Thank you.